Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have c times square root of c is equals to 64, and we solve this problem for all the values of c. So here the very first thing we are going to do is first we need to remove this radical sign from left hand side. So in order to remove this sign we need to take squaring on both of the sides, and when we apply squaring it will be written as c times square root of c whole square is equals to 64 and its whole square. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as here we need to apply the square separately on both of these two values, and it will become c square into this is square root of c and its whole square is equals to, here we know about that we write 64 as the cube of 4, so it will be written as 4 cubed and its whole square. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is c square times here this 2 and square root are gone and we get here c only, and this is equals to, here we need to interchange both of these two exponents, and it will be written as 4 square and its whole cubed. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications, and we obtain c square times c is equals to c cubed is equals to, here we have this is 4 square and 4 square becomes 16 and its whole cubed. And now in the next step we move 16 whole cubed from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will become 16 cubed, c cubed minus 16 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to simplify the terms, and here we use the nice cubic formula. You know about that. If we have x cubed minus y cubed is equals to x minus y times of x square plus xy plus y square. So according to this, here we just write the left hand side of above equation as this is x minus y. The value of x is c minus the value of y is 16 into this is x square. The value of x is c square plus xy. The value of x is c and y is 16 plus this is y square. So y is 16 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as c minus 16 times of this is c square plus c times 16 is equals to 16c plus this is 16 square, and we write this 16 square as it is, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write c minus 16 equals to 0, and the second case is we write c square plus 16c plus 16 whole square is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to move this minus 16 to the right hand side, and it will be written as c is equals to 16. So you see that this is a quadratic equation, and here you know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we need to use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. So for quadratic formula we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are capital A is equals to 1, capital B is equals to 16, and capital C is equals to 16 square. And we state the quadratic formula as C is equals to minus B plus minus square root of B square minus 4 times of AC divided by 2 times of A. So here we need to substitute all the values of A, B and C here, and when we substitute all the values it will be written as C is equals to, this is minus B, the value of B is minus 16 plus minus square root of this is B square, the value of B is 16 square minus 4 times of A is 1 and C is 16 square, and it is divided by 2 times of A, and here our A is equals to 1. And now in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is minus 16 plus minus This is square root of, here we need, you see that inside the square root we have 16 square, and we need to take common 16 square from here. And when we take common 16 square, we get the remaining values are 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And further in the next step, we need more simplifications, and it will be written as 16 is equals to, so here we have, this is minus 16 times plus minus. Here we apply square root sign separately on both of these two values, and it will become square root of 16 square into square root of 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3, and it is divided by 2. And here you see that these 2 and square root are gone, and we get here minus 16 plus minus, this is 16 times. Further, you see here a negative sign appears inside the square root sign, so it will becomes iota, and we write it here square root of 3 times of iota, and it is divided by 2. So here in the final steps, we need a little bit more simplifications, and it will be written as minus. And so for this, we need to break this fraction, and it will becomes here minus 16 divided by 2 plus minus, this is 16 times square root of 3 iota, and it is divided by 2. So we have c is equals to, this is 2 times 8 becomes 16, and we get minus 8 plus minus, this is also 2 times 8 becomes 16, and we get 8 times of square root of 3 into iota. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation which we get here. And here we have we have one real root of the given equation, and that is c is equals to 16. So finally we have, there are three roots of the given equation, in which the two roots are complex roots and the one root are real root. So these are the three roots of the given equation, and this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.